There are two types of ChatGPT users: in 2025 casual users and elite operators who use it like a personal genius assistant. Today, I'm going to show you the secret skills they use to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT step by step. Skill 1. Assigning roles. Start by telling ChatGPT who it should be. This sets the tone, context, and expertise level immediately. Example: prompt, act as a professional life coach. Help me design a daily routine for someone working from home and struggling with motivation. Instead of giving you random advice, ChatGPT now thinks and responds like a trained life coach, which means the answers are tailored, focused, and practical, just like you'd get from a real expert in that field. Skill 2. Multi-stage instructions. Why stop at one task? Combine multiple goals in a single, clear prompt. Example: prompt, list 5 podcast topics on productivity, then write a short description for each, and finally turn them into tweet threads. You're not just getting a brainstormed list, you're generating polished, multi-format content in one go, ready to be shared across platforms without needing any extra rewriting or reformatting. Skill 3. Step-by-step thinking. Want more thoughtful, structured replies? Ask ChatGPT to work through the process logically. Example: prompt, break down how to start a dropshipping business, explaining each major step from research to launch. Rather than giving you a vague overview, ChatGPT walks you through the process step by step, making it much easier to follow, take action on, and understand the why behind each move. Skill 4. Precision through limits. Add boundaries like word count, target audience, or language level to guide the AI. Example: prompt, summarize how AI works in under 80 words using simple language for 12-year-olds. Boundaries like word count and language level keep ChatGPT laser focused. Instead of overwhelming you with too much info, it delivers exactly what you need, crystal clear, short, and highly digestible. Skill 5. Contextual style matching. If you give ChatGPT your writing tone or a content example, it can mirror it almost perfectly. Example: prompt, here's my writing style, paste paragraph. Now write an email to introduce my new ebook in the same voice. The response feels just like your natural writing style. Tone, vocabulary, rhythm, which makes it perfect for client-facing content, newsletters, and personal branding without needing heavy editing. Skill 6. Reusable prompt templates. Create templates once, then reuse them for different topics or clients to save hours of work. Example: prompt template, act as a role. Write a type of content for audience about topic in a tone, and format. Once you've created a few of these flexible templates, you'll be able to generate fresh, customized content in seconds by simply swapping out the variables like Lego blocks for your ideas. Skill 7. Memory training. If you're using GPT with memory, feed it your preferences so it tailors responses over time. Example: setup. Remember that I'm a freelance UI UX designer who works mainly with health tech startups. I prefer a casual tone and need weekly content ideas. Now ChatGPT remembers your job, audience, tone, and preferences, so every future interaction is smarter, more aligned with your brand, and feels like working with a long-term creative partner. These aren't just tricks, they're skill sets that can 10x how you work, learn, create, and grow with ChatGPT in 2025. Master them, and you're not just using AI, you're collaborating with it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe for weekly AI power content, and drop a comment with your favorite skill or the one you want to learn more about.